Hi guys, this is Psych Snacks 101, another day, another learning, another case study for you guys. Today we will be identifying what stages of development best describe Sam's situation. Hi guys, this is Psych Snacks 101. Here is another case study for you today. We have here developmental psychology, case study for or about Sam. Sam is 5 years old. She loves pretending to be a doctor, often giving her dolls checkups. She enjoys asking questions about how things work, but feels guilty when her parents scold her for being too noisy. Which developmental stage best explains Sam's current situation? A. Piaget's pre-operational stage. B. Erikson's initiative versus guilt. C. Freud's phallic stage. Or D. Erikson's autonomy versus shame and doubt. Alright. So first, ano ba yung gusto nating malaman dito? Anong psychological dynamics or approaches yung pinaka-focus natin dito? Is it about Sam's cognitive, psychosocial, emotional, or behavioral, whatsoever? So here we have 4 choices, no? So, titignan muna natin siya. Si Sam, 5 years old. So from that age, alin dyan sa mga stages na yan ang pasok sa 5 years old? So, balikan natin. Okay, so now let's start doon kay Piaget. Sa pre-operational stage ni Piaget, pasok pa yung 5 years old? The answer is yes. So, ang pre-operational stage ni John Piaget is yung 2 to 7 years old. So, meron diyang symbolic play, language development, egocentrism, and yung mga lack of conservation. Dito naman kay Erikson's initiative versus guilt. Sa initiative versus guilt, pasok pa rin si 5 years old, diba? So, ang initiative versus guilt kasi we have 3 to 6 years old. So, ito yung mga preschoolers na nag-i-initiate ng mga play and activities, rather, yung mga encouragement, yung mga initiative and yung discouragement, ayan, plus yung guilt on the other side. For Freud's phallic stage naman, pasok din si 5 years old kasi ang phallic stage ay from 3 to 6 years old din. This stage naman ni Freud focuses more on genitals, gender identity, and yung sa Oedipus and Electra complex. And lastly, Erikson's autonomy versus shame and doubt, hindi na papasok dito si Sam. Kasi ang pinakaswak nga doon kay Erikson's na theory ay doon sa initiative versus guilt. Doon kay autonomy versus shame and doubt kasi is more on 1 to 3 years old. So, 1 to 3 years old, dito sa autonomy versus shame and doubt, toddlers develop independence, success, autonomy, and yung failure. Okay? So, ang una nating naalisin dito ay walang iba kundi si letter D. Autonomy versus shame and doubt ni Erikson. So, matitira na lang yung tatlo. So, let's focus here. Sino yung isa pa natin dapat alisin? Balikan natin yung situation. Si Sam, she loves pretending to be a doctor, often giving her dolls checkups. So, saang stages or saang theory siya papasok? Dito kay Piaget, sa pre-operational stage rather, where the child itself loves to play mga symbolic play. And then, she enjoys asking questions about how things work but feels guilty when her parents called her for being too noisy. So, she loves to ask questions. And, at the same time, she feels guilty kapag nasasabihan siyang sobrang ingay niya. So, ito naman, papasok siya on Erikson's initiative versus guilt. So, medyo wala na dito yung concept nung kay Freud sa phallic stage. So, ang sunod natin aalisin ay yung letter C, yung phallic stage ni Freud. So, matitira na lang sa atin ay si pre-operational stage ni Piaget and yung initiative versus guilt ni Erikson. So, dito more on the scenario given to us, mas nagpo-focus tayo on saan kaya? Dito sa third sentence, which is yung she enjoys asking questions about how things work but feels guilty when her parents scold her for being too noisy. So, which is, we focuses more on the emotional situation or the psychosocial situation nung bata rather than the cognitive aspect. So, the correct answer would be letter B, which is Erikson's initiative versus guilt. Ayan. So, since mas nag-focus tayo on the psychosocial aspect rather than the cognitive aspect. Etong say she loves pretending to be a doctor, often giving her dolls checkups is, kumbaga pang pagulo lang siya doon sa case study mo. Kung dito ka mag-focus, ang magiging sagot mo would be yung kay Piaget. Pero if you try to understand yung given scenario, ang pinaka-focus nung situation ni Sam would be yung dito sa last part, which is yun nga, yung she loves asking question, pero nagigilty siya kapag nasasabihan siya or napapagalitan siya kasi sobrang ingay niya. Again, the correct answer is letter B, Erik Erikson's initiative versus guilt. So I hope you learned today. See you again for another case study.